Okay, so a little Halloween fun. Something we saw a quick picture, so I'll show you how we ended up doing it, what we did. So we took laundry baskets. My wife bought 4 of them, a couple over here. Anyway, so they were white, painting them black now. So you got these two as kind of a little first coat. And then coming over here, getting the second coat put in it. And then I'll show you the next step here in just a little bit. We got the black all painted now. So the idea, and you'll notice a little white still, we got some silver we're gonna put on it. But the idea will be, it's gonna make these cages, and then the skeletons will stick inside the cages. So here we go, here's next. And here you go. So this is the idea and the concept. So put them together. It has this cagey look to it. And then this will hang, obviously, like so, with your guy inside. And I'll show you what it looks like outside here in a little bit. And here they are. Ooh, aren't those things little creepy looking little guys? No, they're actually pretty cool. They turned out great. Look at little hanging from the cage there. Yeah, these guys turned out awesome for minimal cost. That's so cool. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.